Good evening everyone. Today we are going to continue with the topic. On the day whatever we have discussed, again we are going to recall once. So on the day we have started with the topic called as single-celled organism, the amoeba, in which the 5 stages of the development, how the food is going to be engulfed by the amoeba, this we are going to see today. So in detail we are going to discuss why, because this comes maybe either in the 1 mark question or otherwise in the 3 marks question especially. So the 5 steps which are involved are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. So how it is going to happen? So first we are going to discuss about the amoeba. Amoeba is a protozoan. From your childhood you know about the amoeba. It is not having any proper shape, but still it is having the structure called as pseudopodia, through which it is going to catch the organism or the food particle. So here we are going to see the sequence of the steps through which the amoeba is going to play an important role in how to take the food. So the first step is the amoeba, which is having the nucleus especially, and here is the food particle is going to be present. So once the food particle is present, so after that through the pseudopodia it is going to start engulfing that, or otherwise it can make a somewhat round like a structure. So that round structure is nothing but a vacuole. A vacuole. It is going to be covered. It is called as a vacuole, and after that we are going to see that, so whatever the food particle here it is present, it is going to be encircled and it is going to be taken inside by breaking the wall. After that, finally the food particle has entered inside the body of the amoeba. So this we can see in the 5 steps. So whatever the nutrition it is going to occur in the amoeba, it is called as holozoic nutrition. Holozoic means taking inside continuously directly the food particle. It is called as holozoic. So the process which is helpful is called as phagocytosis. So this is the process the amoeba is utilizing for to have the food. Phago means taking, cyto, wherever the word which we are going to speak about, the cyto means cell, and osis means the breakdown. So taking in of the material and digesting it completely. So that process is called as holozoic nutrition, and that process which is named in the amoeba is called as phagocytosis. So let us, we will start with the ingestion. So ingestion, in this the food particle which is present, it is going to be taken by the amoeba. So that process, how the food particle is going to be taken, so that is called as ingestion. So after that, coming to the digestion. In the digestion process especially, the digestive enzymes are also going to be present. So we know that, so whatever the food material, it is going to be taken. In the human beings especially, we are going to chew and we are going to take inside. After that, lots of the process used to occur. But in the amoeba also the same. But we can speak about that the complex food materials are going to be turned into simple molecules. So whatever the complex molecules are present, those are going to be converted into simple molecules through the digestive enzymes. So here we are going to speak about the digestive enzymes. Those are going to play an important role especially in the digestion process. So after that, the absorption. What is meant by the absorption? Whatever the food we had, finally it has to convert into energy. Then and then only we can walk, we can talk, we can speak. So lots of activities are going to happen, especially with the, not only with the human beings, every other organisms. But here we are going to speak about the amoeba also, a single-celled organism. But also it is also having lots of the work, we can say that. So absorption is a process through which we can say that the food, it is entered inside the food particle. So finally it is going to be get absorbed. So once the absorption is going to take place, the food is going to be converted in the form of a glycogen and lipids. In the later we are going to speak much about this. Glycogen is nothing but animal starch. So especially in the organisms we are going to speak about the glycogen. The same word which we are going to utilize for human being is glucose. So in our body, in the form of glucose, the energy is going to be stored. But if we are going to speak about the animals, we are going to speak about the glycogen. It comes under the protozoan. So that's why I have utilized the word glycogen and the lipids. So in the form of glycogen and the lipids, the food is going to be stored and it is going to be absorbed. And assimilation. So not only for the development, again for the repair of the tissues and for the growth of the body of the organism, some energy is required. So for that purpose, this assimilation is a process through which the growth and the repair of the cells are going to take place. And finally comes to the last topic called as digestion. So what is meant by the digestion? Even the human beings or otherwise any of the organisms, whatever the food we had, finally it is going to undergo a lots of the process, and the digested means the undigested material has to come outside. So once it is going to come outside, so that process is called as digestion. So this is the topic related to the unicellular organism called as amoeba. So with this, I want to ask you a few questions, especially as a topic has been completed. So we will see now about the questions, how you are going to deal. So let me give some questions, let you answer and text. So first one, define life process. And second question is, what do you know about nutrition? And third question is, what are the steps involved in amoeba? What are the steps involved in the amoeba? You just continue with the what are the steps I have said.